If you're considering using the new AI email generator, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, especially if you want to get ahead with one of the best just released AI tools in digital marketing. First off, you can try this AI software for completely free from the first link in the description. And trust me, you'll want to see how it performs compared to other tools. Because one of the features it offers might completely change how you write emails forever. Stick around till the end to see what it is and how it compares with other top AI tools I've tested. So here's what you really need to know. The AI email generator is built for one thing: turning rough ideas into ready-to-send, high-converting emails. Whether you're in e-commerce, consulting, or managing newsletters, it takes just a few bullet points and spits out full emails in under 30 seconds. The time savings alone are worth it. Second, tone control is shockingly good. You can shift between friendly, professional, or persuasive tones with one click, and it doesn't feel robotic. For anyone doing client outreach or managing cold campaigns, this alone is a game changer. Third, it actually learns your style. The more you use it, the more it adapts to your preferences. It remembers how you open, how you close, and even the kind of CTAs you like. I've tested over 1,000 AI tools at this point, and most don't get this right. Fourth, deliverability is a hidden gem here. Emails generated by this tool tend to avoid spam triggers because it's trained on deliverability optimized language. If you're tired of your emails ending up in promotions or spam, this is a major plus. Fifth, the UI is clean and intuitive. No learning curve. You log in, drop a few ideas, select tone, and hit generate. You can even edit it in real time and regenerate parts of the email if something doesn't feel right. It's like having an on-call copywriter who never sleeps. Sixth, the integrations. It already syncs with Gmail, Outlook, and most CRMs. That makes it easy to plug into your workflow without having to bounce between platforms. And finally, the pricing is fair. Even though this is one of the best just released AI email tools, they're letting people try it out free. And honestly, for the quality of output, even the paid plans are affordable, especially compared to hiring a copywriter. Again, you can try AI email generator completely free from the first link below. If you're serious about automating your email marketing without sounding like a robot, it's worth 5 minutes of your time. And if you're wondering which other AI tools are worth your attention, after testing thousands, I've included my top recommended AI softwares in the description below. All of them come with free trials, and I only keep the ones that actually deliver results.